Alright, this is break number 505, 2016, Panini Pantheon, times 2. Two baseballs. What's up, Landgren, Jamie, Sean? Doing that order right there. I didn't have any trades, so if there was a trade, I didn't get it marked down. And if there was one, just let me know and I'll fix it. Alright, 16 hits. Total usually has 5 relics and 3 autos per box. Pull one of the 2 Marlins. Yeah, that's part of it. Those Marlins and Rays are not fun. But part of the cost is paying for a chance at the big boys. Alright, let's get going. Good luck, everybody. First card out is Pedro Martinez for the Boston Red Sox. Rudarius relic. /99. I mean, it clearly looks like a Red Sox jersey. I hate these. I have a great necessity to be right. I do not like being wrong. So let's peek at Pantheon. Checklist, and we'll have it open anyway. Pedro Martinez. Oh, there's more than one. That's not Rudarius. Rudarius. It is Red Sox. John Marine getting that one. And where these comments go? Y'all are lively tonight. I can't keep up with the comments. I lost track of the video. Alright, that was the first card out. Card number 2. Greg Maddux for the Braves. 300 Wins Club relic. That one will be going to Sean Walsh. Greg Maddux here is numbered 106 out of 199. Next one out, Ted Williams for the Boston Red Sox. 1500 RBI Club relic. Second Red Sox hit going to John Marine. Ted Williams here is number 27 out of 199. Next card is Kirby Puckett for the Minnesota Twins. Honored and Privileged relic. Kirby here numbered 23 out of 99 and is going to Margaret Denardes. 3,000 hit club, Ricky Henderson for the Seattle Mariners. Not necessarily the team I'd associate Ricky with. He is going to go to Justin Jenkins. Ricky is 79 out of 199. This is kind of what you get with Pantheon. You get the you don't get the no-name prospects. You get the veterans. This one, Gaylord Perry on-card autograph for the San Francisco Giants. Milestone Scripts. This card is going to go to Redwood Philip Dillard. Nice hit. Welcome to the breaks. And there's, are you kidding? I can't believe I just did that. 2 cards there. Thought it was one thick card. I was about to go get 180. That one's 16 out of 49. Next card is Fergie Jenkins for the Chicago Cubs. Milestone Scripts on card auto. That one going to Margaret Donardes, 53 out of 99. Nice hit. Last card out of the first box is a Jim Palmer. That one for the Baltimore Orioles. Scripted Gallant Gloves. Numbered 17 out of 49. Jim Palmer will go to Crystal Boyansky. The football fan coming in and stealing one of the autos. That's it, Crystal. Alright, box 2 coming out. After this, we're going to go randomize the Tier 1 and Inception break. Then we'll have the finest break after that. This box is deep, low in there, these cards. Wonder if we're looking at a redemption. 2, 4. No, maybe not. Maybe just all thin cards. First one is a 3000 Hit Club relic of Craig Biggio bat relic going to the Houston Astros, Lance A. Tucker. $51 out of 199. Does the Gaylord say San Francisco? Yeah. Yeah, I would have looked him up if it didn't. There at the bottom. I'm not very familiar with him. Card number 2, the second box, Joe Morgan, class and rank. Dual relic. This one I'm thinking Reds. Yeah, Cincinnati Reds. 12 out of 99 on this Joe Morgan. That one will be going to Austin Moore. Next one up is a 500 home run club of Frank Thomas. Big Hurt bat relic will go to Lance A. Tucker. And he is numbered 32 out of 49. $4,000 strikeout club, Roger Clemens for the Boston Red Sox. Not hitting the autos yet, but pulling 3 of the relics. That one going to John Marine and is numbered 50 out of 199. Next up, 3000 Hit Club bat relic of Paul Wainer for the Pittsburgh Pirates, going to Lance A. Tucker. This one is 38 out of 49. Yeah, Pantheon are cool, Anthony. That's why we keep on doing them. They might not have the huge hit value, but they're always solid. They're like never a letdown. Next up, dual relic auto on card auto, Dennis Eckersley for the Oakland Athletics. That card going to Patrick D. Numbered 82 out of 99. Nice hit. Yeah, I mean, there are a few bad teams. That's part of these breaks here. Darryl Strawberry is out next. I don't think I pulled one of him yet. That's pretty cool. On-card auto bat relic. Daryl for the New York Mets. 20 out of 99. We'll be going to Jeff Barry. All I can picture him now is from The Simpsons. And he played for Monty Burns' softball team. Last card of the break. Another nice one. On-card auto, Rod Carew. Milestone scripts for the California Angels, now the Los Angeles Angels. That one going to Jamie Garza. I know you said you wanted Vlad, but I'd say that one's probably better. Nice hit. 7 out of 15 on that one. That's fun. Alright, that was 2 boxes of 2016 Pantheon. I've got 2 more on hand. Chance I do it tomorrow. It won't be tonight. We're all filled up for the night, I believe. Rod Carew was the last one for the Angels. Darryl Strawberry, relic auto. Mets, Dennis Eckersley, dual relic auto. A's, Paul Wainer, bat relic. Roger Clemens, relic. Frank Thomas, bat. White Sox, Joe Morgan, dual relic. Reds, Ricky Henderson, Mariners. Gaylord Perry, Giants autograph. Jim Palmer, Orioles relic auto. Fergie Jenkins, Cubs autograph. Craig Biggio, bat relic. Kirby Puckett, relic. Ted Williams, Red Sox. Greg Maddux, Braves. And Pedro Martinez, Red Sox, started us off. Full break. Congrats to the hitters. Anthony, I hope football will break tonight. I haven't looked at where it's at. It's been filling slowly. It's the dead part of football season. I'm betting it picks back up here in about a month. So, if not, it'll be early afternoon tomorrow.